Hey, it's Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today. I'm going to share with you my Document December from Elle's Studio, as well as some other Document Your December add-on goodies that I got. So I'll start with the actual kit. So this is the kit, and then this is the add-ons that I added to this kit. So I am excited about this. I am not a December daily true Document Your December person. I have truly tried this for years, many years, like 7 years, and failed miserably. So I am going to use this for other December memory keeping. So you have your pattern papers that come with this, and there's the stickers. So some fun Document December stickers with some fun words. And then some banners, some circles, and some classic Elle's Studio type banners and words. So those will be great. And then for your pattern papers, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of pattern paper. And these are 6 by 8. Perfect for those albums. And let me move all of this. So you're going to get that red with kind of the, I call it a square that's on a diagonal. And again, that's kind of a classic Elle's Studio pattern. You have your 2019 calendar with the holly berries. A really nice black diagonal stripe, nice and clean. Again, a classic Elle's Studio sort of pattern, just some Christmas motifs. Ornaments, candy canes, hearts, stockings, and a Christmas tree. Oh, and the holly and hearts. And the little, I call those stars. A tone-on-tone grid. And another fun green. Fa la la in red, tone-on-tone. And then a polka dots with pink. I like that they've incorporated the pink into that, and then a gray, and I like that they're not straight, they're asymmetrical. And I love personally having these pieces that tie all of the colors together. I like the single colors, but I also like those combined colors. So those are the pattern papers and the stickers that come in that kit. So again, this is the Document December kit itself. You get these puffy number stickers, and it's nice that they are different. So you have some that are just numbers, some that are in shapes, some that are in these little bannery things. So that is going to be a great, while I'm not going to do 31 days of December, I may try and do days, and so that will be great for dating those things. I'm trying to take these things out of the packaging so you don't get the glare on the packaging. So these are Christmas acetate shapes. I am not going to show you all of them, but you have December, and that pops out. A tree, another tree. Ooh, I like that. That'll be fun to stack those side by side. Love. So you have a nice mix of all sorts of goodies in there. I'm guessing that's holly from the holly and the berries. Ooh, a scallop. Also get some fun hearts that go with those, the hearts and stars that came out early this year. What else do we have? Some more hearts, banners, Mary. Oh, trying to get to this. I like that. That'll be fun. You could put the number in the center of that and then have the little banners hanging out of it. Ooh, I like the asterisk shape there. So Christmas acetate shapes. We'll push those aside. What else? We've got ho 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 puffy stickers. So again, you can make your own holly and your ivy, a Christmas hat. Let me pull that out of the packaging for you as well, so you don't get that glare, and some fun sayings as well as shapes. Fa la la for title, under the tree. So that, and then you have die cuts. So there's lots of embellishments that could go with this. I could see mixing these, the acrylics and the die cuts, in a pocket would be fun. Mix some sequins in there. Holiday photographs, labels, classic Elle's Studio labels. You know I love those. Ooh, I really like these. the candy canes. You could put some twine, tie them together. Oh, that's fun. So much fun. So again, classic Elle Studio hearts. Presents. You can see the ornament that's there. So those are the die cuts, and there are a ton of them. And then it also, in the Document Your December kit, you've got these wood veneer. So the tree, you could color that green, would be neat. Joy, the stocking. And then you also have, I like 4x6 cards as well as 3x4 cards. So, fa la la, a tag, you could cut that if you wanted. Gingerbread and hot cocoa. Oh, I like that. Hello Santa. Oh, I like that pattern on there. Goes with the pattern paper, the reverse of the pattern paper. Nice journaling spot. Christmas concert, that'll be good. Mia has a Christmas concert she does. Love this joyful moment. Christmas gathering. Currently, so all your favorites for December, or what you're doing currently. Christmas tree details. Oh, fun. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Bunch of Christmas sayings. Presents. And you can buy these separate in different colors. I did not, but that is an option as well in the add-ons. 5 favorite things you could do. So there's another color that goes with that one. I love those hearts. The merry details. Love this tradition. Christmas magic. That would be perfect for the Nutcracker or any other Christmas play. The Christmas story that you go and see. Holiday playlist. Christmas favorite. That's kind of like a candy cane stripe. May your days be merry and bright. Favorite 3 things or 3 things you did that day. Merry, merry, merry. Be fun to stamp Christmas once in black underneath there with some black twine. Just ideas. And then the 25th. So those are the 3x4 cards. And then for the 4x6 cards, you could leave that as a whole card or cut it up. On Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, you could document the things that you did there. December 2019. So you could put pictures in that, or you could write different things. Gift list, maybe, for 6 different people. Wish list, all I want for Christmas. Fun polkas, I love the tone on tone. And then again, there's that not straight polka dot lines, which is fun. Wonder and joy. Love this story. So great options for decorating. You could just use them as they are and you can embellish them. So that is all of the kit, the Document Your December kit. I am going to quickly clear this out of the way and then I'm going to show you. So these are the add-ons that I got. There are other add-ons. This is just what I happen to get. I am a huge fan of the large Jane number stamps and alpha stamps, and you've seen all of what I've done with the other versions of this. So this is the candy cane stripe, which is perfect for Christmas, but you could use it for other things too. Yeah, can't wait to dig into that. These are the December date labels. So these are actual stickers. You peel it off and use them. They also come in red, and you have the 31 days of December. I like that it doesn't just end at Christmas. The Holly Jolly stamp set. So again, this is in that 3x4 card. So you could make your own 3x4 card. There's also that diagonal stripe that you could use at the bottom. So for example, pardon me while I reach, you could make your own card out of that with that at the bottom. I know that there is a diagonal stripe stamp. You could also just take the eye and repeat it to create a border, or you could run the eye this way and repeat it twice, maybe 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, to create a border for that, kind of like, and make your own 3x4 cards. There's that fa la la and that fun star. December. So you could make your, if you didn't want to use these rectangular labels, you could make your own circular labels from that for dating. And then I got all 3 sets of the Puffy Alpha stickers. So this is the the green dot. That is the, it's pink and red, you can see, divided in half in the colors, and then this is the multicolor font as well, and you could mix and match those as well. The Christmas puffy shapes dots stickers, so different greens, gray, white, reds, and pinks, and black. And then these are the puffy wonder stickers. So these are the stickers that go with more puffy stickers that go with that. And then I also got the Good Cheer acetate shapes. And let me see if I can get a piece of colored paper that you might be able to see these better against. I just got a piece of black here. So a white star. So there's all sorts of shapes, as well as, so that's a 3x4 that you can overlay over a photo. That would be fun with Christmas lights. This is just a shape, so you could put it on white, or you could put it over a photo, or even like over a card. That would not be a good card, you wouldn't see it, but to embellish your journal cards as well. Fa la 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 la, lots of fa la 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 la. What else is in here? Merry Christmas. I'm going to shift them off so that you can see them as I so much joy. And again, you could just put that over a piece of red or green, and then just put a square photo on top of that. Would be something fun. The heart, again on a 3x4. Stars. That too is just cut out of that paper, by the way. Ho ho ho. Only it would go that way so that the exclamation points are the right way, correct way. So that's like the candy stripe of the Large Jane Alpha. Some more of the sort of Christmas confetti, a banner. Ooh, I like that large heart. More Christmas confetti. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Another banner, so you have two of those. Another star, circles, and then what's this say? Simple Joys, banner with stars. Love this. Good Cheer. The smaller heart, and last but not least, more Christmas confetti. So that's all of the goodies that I personally got for Document Your December from Elle Studio. I will link you in the description box down below to an affiliate link so you can go shopping and buy all of those fun goodies yourself, and follow along with me in the months of January and December and document your December Elle Studio style. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Take care.